How to choose the right UHF antenna for your setup. One of the most common reasons a UHF radio will receive poor reception is bad antenna choice. Now, I've come up with a really simple way to show you what a difference choosing the right antenna makes. To help me do that, I've got the entire range of the all-new beefed up ATX antennas from Uniden. Take a look at this graphic that clearly shows the difference in dBi levels. The most common antennas are 3 dB and 6 dB. You can see that a 3 dB gives you a shorter, wider range, and how that will be better than the longer, more direct 6 dB, which isn't as effective in hilly terrain, but gets you better range in open, flat country. Think of it like spot and spread driving light beams. One gives you distance, one is wider and gives you greater clarity at closer distances and is great for tight tracks. The latest range of heavy-duty UHF antennas from Uniden come in two models, that being the ATX 890 and the ATX 970 series. Both have been engineered to be extremely rugged and durable with a larger fiberglass radon whip and heavy-duty stainless spring base to withstand the punishment of off-road travel. For the best of both worlds, the ATX 970 range is available as a twin pack, allowing you to change whips dependent on the type of terrain you are in. All the antennas in the range have terminated female connectors and PL259 adapters, meaning you can easily interchange and replace your antennas without installing new leads. For those that want just a little less bulk and size in the whips of their antennas, the ATX 890 down the end there offers a more slimline approach than the ATX 970 here. Of course, either model comes in your choice of black or white to best match your four-wheel drive, and for the ultimate in versatility, this heavy-duty folding antenna bracket means you can lay your antenna back in tight scrub or fit into low parking spots. Uniden are focused on providing real-world four-wheel drive products to suit Australia's harsh conditions, and you can really see that in the Japanese design of these antennas. To grab one for yourself, why don't you head to their website at uniden.com.au.